These self-improvement shorts from Andrew Huberman's podcast are blowing up like crazy right now, generating up to $85K a month in passive income without ever showing their face. In today's video, I will show you how to recreate a similar type of channel using the crazy power of AI to automate the entire creation process, from channel branding to finding viral parts of the podcast, crafting visuals and captions, so you can replicate this whole operation and achieve similar results. I can confidently say that these type of channels are 100% monetizable, as I have personally made thousands of dollars from my own faceless YouTube Shorts channel. And don't worry, the AI tools in this video are entirely free to use. And the best part about this new strategy is that it takes less than 10 minutes from start to finish. As proof, I will set a 10-minute timer as I go through the process. If I finish the tutorial within the time frame, I will reveal at the end of the video Mr. Beast's top tip for succeeding on YouTube. Do not fall behind in the digital world. People are already taking advantage of YouTube Shorts to earn some serious money that's enough to replace their 9-to-5 job. Take action today before it gets too late. One evening, much like you right now, I was scrolling on YouTube looking for ways to make internet money when I stumbled across something extraordinary. It was a series of Andrew Huberman clips about self-improvement, such as the truth about caffeine and how mouth breathing affects your face. After falling into a rabbit hole of captivating content, I was left in awe. These simple clips from the Huberman podcast were amassing millions and millions of views. I decided to dig deeper into this phenomenon, and what I discovered was truly astonishing. According to Social Blade, this channel is raking in up to $86,000 per month, and there's another similar channel that's already pocketing up to $36,000 a month. All of this achieved in just a span of 10 months. Now imagine this. You too could be posting one 30-second clip on YouTube every day, and in just 10 months, you could potentially make enough money to say goodbye to your full-time job and live your life financially free. And by using AI, this process will be so easy that even your grandma can do it. To make it even simpler for you, I've even included a Google Doc in the description, which you can follow along step by step. Let's watch one clip together first to see what we need to do to recreate this type of video. Seems simple to recreate, right? Start the 10-minute timer and let's get this bread. First, let's go to ChatGPT and either create a new account or log in to your existing one. This is where we'll interact with AI to generate ideas and descriptions. Let's ask ChatGPT for some catchy channel names and a channel description by using this prompt. Now choose your favorite name. Doesn't Neuro Nuggets sound like a sexy name? Then we will create a brand new YouTube channel. If you already have one, you can skip this step and use your existing account. Click on Customize Channel and then click Basic Info. Paste the name and description that ChatGPT generated for our channel. Next, we'll generate a logo for our channel with AI. Return to ChatGPT and start a new chat session. In this session, we'll train ChatGPT to act as a professional AI image prompt generator. This will allow our chosen art generator to give us realistic and stable images. You can copy this crazy prompt in the Google Doc below. Now to create our logo, let's type in the keywords brain, nugget, and logo in our professional image prompter. It's given us 3 options to choose from: photorealistic image, surrealistic art, and an artistic logo design. Let's pick the third one. We can head over to Leonardo.ai, which is one of the best AI art generators right now. Either create an account by clicking whitelist, or log in if you already have an account. Select the Dream Shaper V7 model for generating your AI images. Then paste the image prompt we copied from ChatGPT earlier into the text box. Also, don't forget to copy and paste the provided negative prompt to guide the AI in generating the best images. Now click Generate. Look at these amazing images we can use for our channel logo. I like this image the most, so let's click it and use one of the 3 upscale options to increase the quality. Then we'll use the Remove Background tool. Remember to download the image. How amazing is this logo? Lastly, head back to ChatGPT and click the initial chat. Let's ask for some text to use for your YouTube banner with a prompt like this. With the banner text, let's head over to Canva, which is one of the best free design tools. Log in or create a new account. Select the YouTube banner template and choose a design you like on the left side, and simply add the banner text generated by ChatGPT, resize, and drag to the center. Finally, go back to YouTube, click on branding, and upload the newly made logo and banner, then click publish. Our channel is now beautifully branded, and before we start creating viral shorts, I want you all to succeed. So I'll be personally sending you a faceless YouTube automation guide. Watch till the end of the video to see how you can get this free PDF that is normally worth $89. Next, we'll dive into finding viral podcast clips to use in your YouTube shorts by using this popular AI tool. Firstly, let's go to Andrew Huberman's YouTube channel and choose a podcast episode that you think will resonate with your audience. You can pick a popular episode or the most recent one. I'll pick this video and copy the link. Next, head over to Opus Clips. This is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long talking videos into viral multiple shorts in one single click. Start by creating an account if you haven't already. Paste the link of the chosen podcast episode on YouTube into Opus Clips. Let's keep the default settings and click Get Clips in one click. With the free trial, we have 90 minutes of upload time per month, which should give us up to 30 clips. However, if you're serious about this side hustle, consider upgrading to a paid plan for around $19 a month. This will give you more clip generation and priority queue. Let's wait for Opus to do its magic.
A few moments later.
After about 30 minutes, I received an email notification saying the clips are ready. Let's check them out. Here we can see the viral score of each generated clip to help us to identify potential videos that could blow up, why the video could go viral, and even an engaging title for us to use. Click the edit button for the selected clips. We'll actually remove the captions here and add them later in a free video editing tool for a reason I'll explain later. Click Save and Compile, then download the clip. And now we have a collection of potential viral clips to work with. How simple was that? With a few clicks, this AI tool saved us hours of work. If you agree that AI is a game changer for content creators, give this video a thumbs up right now. To make the videos engaging, these channels normally overlay relevant stock footage as B-roll, but we are smarter and more creative than them, so we will infuse our video clips with AI-generated art to make them more engaging and unique. Let's begin by reviewing the video script in Opus Clips and identifying 3 to 5 key phrases that we can use as B-roll scenes. For this clip, we can use positive effects of listening to music on one's health, effects of music on the cardiovascular system. Music impacts heart rate, but rather through changes in our breathing. Then let's think of a few keywords from the identified phrases and type them into the trained ChatGPT image prompter. For the first one, the keywords might be music and health. Let's see what ChatGPT will cook for us. Nice, I'll copy this prompt. Return to leonardo.ai and paste the image prompt. Make sure to choose an aspect ratio of 9:16, which is the short's dimensions. These are seriously so amazing, but make sure to keep watching till the end of the video to grab yourself a copy of the free YouTube Mastery Guide. I'll select this image, upscale it, then download. Now repeat this process for all other clips. With that done, we now have several AI-generated artwork that will enrich our video. We just have to put everything together now. For this, we will be using CapCut, a free and super user-friendly video editing tool. Once you've downloaded it, start a new project and upload everything. The downloaded Opus clip, AI art, and our logo. Drag the main clip down first, and make sure the video dimension is set to 9:16. Then we'll play the video and position the AI-generated art carefully in the right places as B-roll footage. Let's enhance the B-roll with some sick animations. Play around with the different options available to see which animation suits your image. I'll use wobble for the first image, sway in for this one, bounce 2 for the heart, and for the last image, let's add an in animation instead. Rock horizontally, and drag the animation to cover the entire clip duration. Afterwards, we'll add some effects to make them look even better. I'll use Leak 1. Let's drag the effect to cover the entire AI art. Noise 2. Meteor, or decrease the speed to 5. And lastly, Spark. Moving on to the captions, because we've overlaid B-roll over the main clip. The captions from Opus clips would have been hidden during these sections. That is why we removed them at first. And so we'll regenerate them here. We can do this easily by clicking the text tab, auto captions, and click create. Make sure all the captions are selected. Let's drag the captions to the middle of the screen and then change the font to this popular font. You can download the bold font for free from dayfont.com. Finish off the rest of the caption customization with these settings: font size 12, yellow preset style, add shadow, and add caption animation. I personally like the pop-up discoloration. Adding captions is an easy way to force the viewer into reading along, increasing the retention rate, just as you are doing right now. To add some personal branding, we'll include our logo, drag to cover the entire clip, scale it down to 20%, then place in the corner of the video. Lastly, we'll make a quick cover, which will act as the thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. Click Edit Cover. Pick the first second of the video, add default text, and paste the engaging title from Opus Clips. Use the bold font again, add a black shadow and stroke, separate the words into shorter lines, and let's use the colors yellow and red to highlight the title. Then resize the text so it fits on the screen. Finally, export the video, keep the default settings, and click Export again. Now, our video is complete with engaging and visually appealing content. Let's upload our video first before we watch the final video. For this step, we'll actually switch to our mobile device. This is the only way right now to add viral music from the YouTube Shorts library. This step is crucial, so our video does not get copyrighted, and we can also leverage popular music to help boost our views. Send your completed video to your phone using AirDrop or another file transfer application. After that, we'll open the YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your channel and upload the video. Click Next, add sound, and choose a fitting music for the video. I'll use this one. To maintain the right balance between the speaker and the music, click Adjust and decrease the volume to about 10%. Tap Next. Paste the viral title from Opus Clips earlier. Make sure to click Not Made for Kids, and then hit the Publish button. Stop the timer. Congratulations, your viral short is now live on YouTube, and we did it in less than 10 minutes. Before I show the final video, let me share Mr. Beast's YouTube success tip I teased about in the intro.
Is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views, but you know, your first 100 are gonna suck.
Don't worry if your early content isn't perfect. The more you create, the better you become.
Essentially, by studying the algorithm, you'll learn that you're more studying human psychology, right? What do humans want to watch? Anytime you say the word algorithm, just replace it with audience, and it works perfectly. Like, the algorithm didn't like that video? No, the audience didn't like that video.
Many new YouTubers obsess over algorithms, but Mr. Beast urges you to focus on creating content that resonates with your audience instead. Thanks, Mr. Beast. Here's the final video we made together.
Now, in light of the positive effects of listening to music on one's health, there's a recent meta-analysis that I found particularly interesting. The title of this meta-analysis is Effects of Music on the Cardiovascular System, and it was published in Trends in Cardiovascular Medicine. Now, from the title of this paper, Effects of Music on the Cardiovascular System, you might think that it's just yet another meta-analysis exploring how music impacts heart rate variability and things of that sort. But what's interesting about this study is that it identifies that the way in which listening to one's favorite music positively impacts the cardiovascular system and other aspects of our physiology is very likely not through direct changes on our heart rate simply by listening to music, but rather through changes in our breathing.
Congrats on making it to this far. Remember the special gift I mentioned earlier. As the 0.1% who watched till the end, you now deserve this faceless YouTube automation guide that is normally worth $89 for absolutely free. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment saying I've subscribed, and I'll personally send you the link to the PDF. See you next time, squad.